We'll guide you through how to find where ChatGPT is located online. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the OpenAI website by typing in openai.com in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, look for the Products tab at the top of the page, usually found in the main navigation menu. Click on it and you will see a drop-down list. In this list, you'll find ChatGPT listed among other products. Click on ChatGPT to go directly to its dedicated page. Here, you'll find all the information you need about ChatGPT, including its features, how to get started, and any updates or news related to the service. If you want to use ChatGPT, look for the Get Started or Try ChatGPT button on this page. Clicking this will guide you to either sign in or create an OpenAI account if you don't have one yet. Once you're signed in, you can start interacting with ChatGPT directly from your browser. It's that simple. Remember to bookmark this page for easy access in the future and to stay updated with any changes or new features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.